The quadratic equation x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. First, let's put this in the general form. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we compare these coefficients. So a is in front of the x squared, so that's a 1. B is in front of the x term, so that's b is equal to minus 5. And c is equal to 6. So there's the coefficients we're going to need for the quadratic formula, which gives us the roots. So that's minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now let's put these three a, b, and c's in this equation and see what comes out. That should be our roots. So minus b, so that's a minus 5, plus or minus the square root of minus 5 quantity squared, minus 4 times 1 times 6, divided by 2 times 1. So that's going to give us, that minuses cancel out, so it's 5 plus or minus. That is minus 5 squared is 25. 4 times 1 times 6 is 24, divided by 2. 2 times 1. So that becomes 1. So now the roots become 5 plus or minus 1 divided by 2. So let's continue on to the next page. And so x is going to be equal to 5 plus or minus 1 over 2. So in the 5 plus 1 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. The second root and the minus sign, 5 minus 1 is 4 over 2. So our roots become 3 and 2. Now let's check that. So we'll put that back in the original equation. So x squared at 3 is 3 squared minus 5 times x, which was 3, plus 6 is equal to 0. 9 minus 15 plus 6 is equal to 0. That checks. Now that's for 3. Now for 2, we've got 2 squared minus 5 times 2 plus 6, so that's 4, plus 6 is 10, minus 10, that's 0, so both of them check. So the two roots are 3 and 2. Hope you got something out of this video. If you did, give me a like and thumbs up. Thank you for watching.